How to enable or disable AirDrop in iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to disable or enable your iPhone AirDrop, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first approach you can use to turn on or turn off AirDrop is swipe down the control center, then locate the AirDrop from the controls. So if the AirDrop is missing, press and hold the control center, click on hide the control, then search for AirDrop and add it. Then you should see the AirDrop application just like this. You can expand it to make it bigger, then click outside. Now to turn on or turn off AirDrop, what you just need to do is go back to the control center. Each time you want to use it, then click on it. Then you should see the AirDrop menu comes up. To turn it on, you can just turn it on for everyone for 10 minutes, or if you want to only use the AirDrop with your contacts only, turn on contacts only, then you should see the AirDrop turned on. If you tap turn it on for 10 minutes, this is going to make it available for all users to discover your AirDrop. Then to turn it off again, just click on the AirDrop and then turn it off. So that's one of the ways you can use to turn off or turn on AirDrop. Another way is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down to general and click on it. Now, once you select general, scroll down, then you should see AirDrop. Click on it. Then here you can turn off AirDrop, turn on AirDrop, or turn on AirDrop for 10 minutes. You see that? Then here you can just come here and turn on start sharing by bringing devices together, and also use mobile data. So if bring devices together is not working, then you use mobile data will be on if you are using contacts only or when you are sharing with everyone. So that is basically how to turn on or turn off AirDrop in iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.